Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can subscribe to X Premium, formerly known as Twitter Blue, on your Android device. If you want to unlock exclusive features like account verification, customization tools, and premium posting options, you can easily follow through the steps. First of all, open the X application on your Android device and make sure that you're logged into the account. Once logged into the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Premium. This will take you to this subscription details page, from where you can choose plans you want to apply to. X Premium usually offers Basic, Premium to Premium Plus plans. Go ahead and choose a plan that suits your need and then click on the starting button at the bottom. Now you can choose from annual to monthly plan provided in the pop-up at the bottom. After making a choice, click on subscribe and pay. On your Android device, you'll be redirected to the App Store for payment. Go ahead and follow through the on-screen instructions. Confirm your payment to activate the X Premium. Once activated, you can enjoy the premium features of X. You'll then be able to use all premium features like longer posts, better analytics, and more customization. So that's how you can easily subscribe to X Premium in just a couple of minutes using your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.